how to change resolution in Devil May Cry. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are playing Devil May Cry Peak of Combat and want to adjust the game's resolution for better performance or sharper visuals, firstly open up the Devil May Cry game on your device, and once you're inside the game, go to the bottom left and tap on the settings icon. Once you're inside the settings menu, go ahead and tap on graphics from the left. Inside graphics, go to resolution and tap the arrow right next to resolution. You can switch between low, medium, very low, high, and super high. Just make your selection. If you set the resolution to be higher, then it'll give you sharper graphics but may require a more powerful device. So if you have a low-end devices, then you will not be able to run the game smoothly if you choose the higher option. So go ahead and select a low or medium option for that. If you have better performing device or the latest version of Android devices, then you will be able to switch to super high as well. But make sure to check the current load your device will have if you choose this option at the top. So that way you will be able to adjust between the graphic resolution settings on Devil May Cry Peak of Combat. After making the selection, tap on Save at the bottom right, and that's it. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.